this tutorial, we will make Christmas video in Filmora Mobile App. Firstly, we will open Filmora Mobile App. Then, click on Explore button. And then click on Template. Now, search here Christmas. You can see that, here are so many Christmas related template, which you can use easily. Now click back, and then click on Festival. Here you will see more template about Christmas festival. So, for an example, I will use this template. Now, I am adding video clip related to Christmas. After adding, click on Import. Now, click on Project Edit. Here, you are free to edit or add anything. I am adding some effect and stickers related to Christmas, so watch it. For installing Filmora 14, just check out description. Here you will get free installation benefits. Like 100 free AI credits, 3 days watermark free export, and there is no limitation in length. So click here to download the installation file. And install it free.